In this video, I'll guide you through how to install Google Chrome on laptop and PC. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. To install Google Chrome in laptop and PC, first need to open a web browser. For this video, I am going with Microsoft Edge. Now on the search field to search for Google Chrome. Now scroll down and click on Google Chrome and click on Download Google Chrome. Once Google Chrome will download on your computer, then double click on it to install it on your computer. Now you need to wait for a few seconds to download the source for Google Chrome. Once the download process is complete, then Google Chrome will install on your computer. Once the process is finished, then click on Close button. Then click on Google Chrome, then this can pop-up will appear here. Now you have two options, you can sign in with Google Chrome and you can go with Google Chrome without signing. Let's go to the second option. Now type your window name and click on Done button. By following this tutorial, you can download Google Chrome in laptop and PC.